Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open split screen on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, let's say I want to activate at the same time my settings here and my gallery. In order to do that, we simply click the application icon, and here we can click Open in Split View. And here we click what other app do we want to open in split view. So I will choose settings. As you can see, we can switch them and we can manipulate how much settings will take space and how much gallery will. So now, as you can see, I can scroll through my settings while also seeing my beautiful gallery full of screenshots. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.